Hey, what's up, everyone? So, I'm going to do a reaction video for Meow's Meow music video. I don't know too much about the group. All I know is that they're from Black Label and they were signed by Capitol Records as well. That we have two Korean Americans, one Japanese, and one from Korea. Am I right? One, two, no, or two from Korea, two from that are Korean Americans, and then one from Japan. Okay, there we go. And yeah, I know nothing. I made sure that I stayed away from watching the teaser trailers and everything. I didn't want to know anything about the group until after I watched the video, so I could judge them on music alone and their presence and so forth. So here we go.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Meow.
Ooh. Check that beat.
You 없어 난 생긴 대로 chic. Now you speak French talking about we. 아무리 날 불러봐 please. 가는 길이 달라 can't keep up with me. Try and match my energy. 침묵 끝에 터지는 roaring. 막 타기 시작했어 keep burning. 홀린 듯이 dancing on the table. Fill 'em up, pulling up on side. We make 'em. We're my girls, we gon'
Nice.
chase 'em. We don't run, we don't chase 'em. Turn it up, hear that bass drum. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. Bring 'em. Shake some. Break some. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. I'm a mug of butter, I can do it all night. It look easy, don't it? Make 'em all tongue tied, 날카로운 사라. 바로 여기 접수해 오는. 고요하게 높이 뛰어 닿지 않을 것까지. Nothing else on my mind when I'm on my grind. No, I ain't got time. 침묵 끝에 터지는 roaring. 막 타기 시작했어 keep burning. 홀린 듯이 dancing on the table. Fill 'em up, pulling up on side. We make 'em. With my girls, we gon' shake some. We don't run, we don't chase some. Turn it up, hit that bass drum. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. Shake some. Break some. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on.
There we go. Hey, here we go. Wow. Okay, so my thoughts.
When you vape, you may be polluting your lungs with toxic chemicals.
Okay, yes, we know that. Okay, so thoughts. Well, let me go to the video real quick. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So my thoughts is that man, the song was good. Definitely liked the transitions to the more fierce lyrics to the music, and then just the overall choreography. I thought that was pretty cool too, especially towards the end when they really go all out. I do feel though, I don't know. I think maybe we've been spoiled by other debuts of other groups with much higher budget type of backgrounds and everything. I think case in point, let's say that I was thinking for some reason I was the first thing that came to my mind is the competition that's going to go on with the fifth gen groups, because there's going to be quite a few of them. And how do you stand out? How do you stand out from the pack? And my gosh, I like where it's going. It's similar to like how I felt about Baby Monster and how they started out with their video, but then by the videos that came afterward, you're just like, wow, they're impressive. They could sing, they could dance. And this is where I guess where I'm at with MEOW. Definitely a fierce video. The fierce, if you look at their faces right now, they're trying to give that really fierce look, like I don't give a crap. It's like I mean, it's like they definitely got that edginess to them, right? So I think that's a pretty cool thing right there. But the question is now is where do things go from there? Because pretty much, again, I like what we saw of the group. It's just now what happens afterward. And I think that's what I'm kind of always curious, because I don't want to. I try not to go too crazy over the first song. I like to hear the other songs and how well they how well managed things go afterward. And if it is the first song, does it have that wow factor that makes it stand out? And I can tell you right now with MEOW, I think with the Black Label, I think it's a positive debut, but I think right now is that it's going to be so competitive that I want to see what kind of presence they have, especially on music shows and what kind of music videos and music they have, and also what what kind of stage presence they have. Right now they showed their choreography, and I think that's cool. But I think there's just I guess I have to see more than what we see in this video. But it's a good first video, good debut. But the thing is that again, I think we're starting to get spoiled by a lot of the creativity that goes on with music videos these days. With the high production value. And I think when you see, okay, here we go, MEOW Black Label, we're going to see some high production, and we got a good amount of different scenes. Let's go ahead and play the video and you'll see what I mean. So you got the I like how everyone's all dancing and they look fierce right there. But look at everyone else in costume right there. Everyone's looking a little crazy.
You up sundown singing that old chic. Now you speak French talking about we.
So one thing you notice about this video is that it's very set driven. We just saw something like in the station. We saw cloud-like backgrounds, and now we have here, it looks like, motorcycle in front of okay, so there is some production value in the sets. They're not painted or anything like that. That's one thing I noticed in that part also, is like the vocals. I don't think it's needed to do the auto-tune, but I understand why they do it, but I don't think it was needed. think this is something that we will have to see the whole performance video version, because I think this is something that could be very cool, and you can see a lot of people doing covers of this. But for the most part, yeah, really interesting. Because right now you saw the subway, or like the train station type of background, and now we're seeing this type of background right here.
I'm a mug of butter, I can do it all night. It look easy, don't it? Make 'em all tongue tied, like I don't side eye. 바로 여기 겹수 연애. 거역하게 높이 뛰어. 닿지 않을 것까지. Nothing else on my mind when I'm on my grind. No, I ain't got time.
Oh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. Very good. Hip hop portions and also the vocals. I like that. They really are trying. They really carry out this this edgy look. Do not smile. Look in the camera. Type of. I don't give a f what you think type of look. When I saw those fits, I was like, ah. By the way, this is another under 3 minute video, close to 3 minutes, but yeah, it's like, again, another trend of songs under 3 minutes long. Just looking here at these oversized jeans right here. When I saw hers, I was like, my gosh, those huskies, size huskies are about to fall off. But yeah, I was just like, when I was looking at this, when I first watched it, I was like, my gosh, I hope she doesn't trip and fall over those. But yeah, I see what they were doing with those denims, but a little too big, and yeah, you gotta be careful for that right there.
Shake some. We don't run, we don't chase some. Turn it up, hit that bass drum. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. Shake some.
What's funny is because usually during this part, you see people in cars or driving the cars, and here they are on top of this cat.
Break some. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on.
This is so trippy. Wow. Now this was a cool part right here. Cool transition.